The best cryptocurrency to buy can vary based on market conditions, investment goals, and risk tolerance. However, several coins have consistently shown potential due to their market value, technological innovation, and community support. Here are some of the most popular options to consider as of 2024. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Pros: the original cryptocurrency and the most widely recognized. It's considered a store of value like digital gold. Cons: high transaction fees and slower transaction speeds compared to newer coins. 2. Ethereum, ETH. Pros: the most popular platform for decentralized apps, dApps, and smart contracts. Ethereum 2.0 upgrades have made it more energy efficient. Cons: high gas fees during peak network usage. 3. Solana, SOL. Pros: known for fast transaction speeds and low fees. It's emerging as a competitor to Ethereum for dApps and decentralized finance, DeFi. Cons: centralization concerns and network outages have raised questions. 4. Binance Coin, BNB. Pros: the native currency of the Binance exchange, used for discounted trading fees and other features on the Binance ecosystem. Cons: heavily tied to Binance's performance and regulatory status. 5. Cardano, ADA. Pros: focuses on scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. It's considered a more eco-friendly option. Cons: slow development compared to competitors like Ethereum. 6. Polygon, Matic. Pros: a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, making transactions faster and cheaper. Cons: still relies heavily on the success of Ethereum. 7. Avalanche, AVAX. Pros: high-speed blockchain that supports decentralized applications. Known for its strong focus on scalability. Cons: faces stiff competition from other scalable blockchains. 8. Chainlink, LINK. Pros: a decentralized Oracle network, which provides external data to smart contracts. Essential for DeFi projects. Cons: still niche compared to broader crypto options. 9. Cosmos, ATOM. Pros: focused on interoperability, helping blockchains communicate with one another. Cons: high competition in the interoperability space, for example, Polkadot. 10. Polkadot, DOT. Pros: focuses on allowing different blockchains to transfer data and work together. Cons: still in development, and its ecosystem isn't as mature as Ethereum's or Binance's. Factors to consider before investing. Risk tolerance: cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and you could lose a significant portion of your investment. Utility and technology: invest in coins that have a clear use case and technological potential. Market trends: keep an eye on market cycles, trends, and news. Timing is crucial. Diversification: spread your investment across multiple assets to reduce risk. Regulation: pay attention to regulatory developments as they can significantly affect the price and viability of certain coins. Are you looking for long-term investments, or are you more interested in short-term gains? That can also influence the best crypto picks for you.